get that?
Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend, the dancer. What go on people to work with another video, please considering subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell to not miss out. Yeah man people, as you can see, Alkaline work on a new visual for the people them, is it? You see me on the song, yeah, a Cree. You see me, him drop it the other day, about a month now, probably, you see me guys. And you know what, the man himself, Alkaline, him have this thing about him from the other day, you see it? It's like him a give the people them what them a ask, so you see it, them ask for more visuals, what them get more visuals, and people that one way him a come with, you know, a rocket a go rock the media, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know man, you see me. The man just push out a look preview. Naturally, them man they not really do that like that for a good while, you see me. Cause Ocean Wave him just drop that, so you see me, you know them way there. Yeah, but what me I say still, the dog is give them a preview on the place. Shell off already, the people them can't wait for sure, you see me. Yeah man, so what me I try say, or what me I say is that the expectation for the new video release, when my work on it a go, yeah man, it a go shot man, it a go bombard the place.
Where will we go?
Right now, me know where me a go, you know. It's up to you and them rest of people there if you know where them a go. You see me, but differently a joke that still people, but Koffee new release. You see me lockdown of the place away. People are wonder if a man should sing down here for. But I know my business that. Them that Bonner wrote the other day though. So when you come and sing this and all, and them say if it's a man or whatsoever. Not really business about that. Them two contradictory, is it? For alright, for all I know and care. But just like that song yeah, bad people. It named Koffee, lockdown, and we can go check it out. Wicked piece of single. I don't know where she find that one, yeah. You see me, but we can rely, she always promising, you see me. Preview it still on. You see, right now we are going to talk about Tommy Lee Sparta. You see, pray guys. And you see, I want to report go around say me in the hospital, but to tell you the truth, you know, say him get rushed to the hospital in a Cornwall region. Montego Bay for real. You see me, so them say the dog would have vomit while in police lock up on Thursday evening. His lawyer Ernie, you see me, Ernest Smith confirmed the development with the Jamaica Observer last night. As so comes them end up get for publish that, you see me, so he was taken to the Cornwall Region Hospital for treatment and subsequently discharged. He told the Observer Tommy Lee Sparta is spending his second week Ken behind bars at Freeport Police Station in Montego Bay. Smith said he's convinced that the law are deliberately keeping Tommy Lee inside the cell, the lockup base. So them a try say Tommy Lee Sparta had several brushes with the law. You see, he was listed as a person of interest by police in 2014 and 17 for a shooting incident. He was, however, questioned and released. Is it? In 2015, the Montego Bay police prevented him from performing at Reggae Sumfest for fear of patron safety. A former member of Vibes Cartel Portmore, Gaza Empire, Tommy Lee Sparta, has his musical break in 2012. He is known for songs including Spartan Soldier, Spartan Angel, Psycho, and Rich Badness. He have no other song like Bless Me, but them not talk about them they still, but me just a tell you now. With that said and done, all of that, the police right now told them that the final session was this morning. You see me, and the question and answer session took place and done. You see me, so them I wonder how comes all now them still all on the man and thing. You see me, people, so it's like dog I say I was advised by the senior officer that That's it. The police have no further interest in him. See, hear that? And that he would be released today, said Smith. They are punishing Mr. Russell without just cause, he continued. Leroy Russell is Tommy Lee Sparta given name. Earlier last week, Tommy Lee Sparta was requested to report to Freeport Police Station in relations to an upsurge in violence in Flanker community of St. James. Is it? So they must say he was detained basically, is it? And under the current state of emergency in St. James, the SOE, a person can be detained for up to 90 days without being charged. But that gone again. So as I may say, still feel like them just do the dog this and that kind of cruel, the system cruel, is it? Smith said he is convinced that the lawmen are deliberately keeping the dancehall DJ detained despite not being charged. Is it? The entertainer has been in custody since Tuesday, early Tuesday last week, is me, up until now, guys. So, comment down below, tell me what you think about that, and thanks for participating in the video and acknowledge something new today. You see me, at the end of the video, this please consider like, subscribe and share. Alright, so bless up. Before I go, remember say yo, check out the rest of the video, guys. Is it a lot of information disclosed and dep on that page and channel. So bless up on yourself at all time. Check out the rest of the video. You see me, and cause everything there, like I say, you see me, cause we're full of information like that. You can check out the rest of the video, them get informed, get entertained. Everything there from Jamaica dancehall news, Jamaican news. Is it? Out.